Moving is a pain in the butt. There's just no other way around it. Moving's a pain. It's crazy. So I just recently moved, and I will tell you, it's painful. And we did it the easy way. We hired movers, so I can't imagine what it feels like. Well, I can because I've done it when you're moving it yourself. But moving sucks. But there's some easy ways to think about how this is happening. So one thing I say is always focus on where you're going. Think about that happy place. Think about the new adventure you're about to embark on and all the perks of moving to the new place, right? You got to stay with your mindset there or else you get super bogged down. I also say try to unpack a room a day. When you move, just unpack a room a day, right? Probably bedrooms and kitchen first and then get to the living room. Do not rush it all in one day. There's no time limit on when you have to unpack. Then I also say purge before you go. You need to purge that other house. Don't pack and move stuff you don't need. You haven't touched in 6 months, out it goes. And what is it, that TV show they say? Remember this? Do you love this item? If you don't love this item, then get rid of it. That is definitely something to consider when moving. Moving does suck, but let me tell you, it is so great to start a new adventure in a new place. So keep your mind and your eyes on the goal, and it'll make it much, much easier. Well, there's the scoop. Edna Wilson, your hometown realtor, as hometown's apple pie.